The idea of putting the PC into a familiar, friendly wrapper is also a major goal of Commodore, which premiered its CDTV, a black box with a CD-ROM player and a microprocessor inside. The CDTV is a hybrid of computer, video disc player, CD audio, and CD-ROM, operated by a handheld remote control. Commodore calls it an interactive multimedia compact disc player. CDTV has its own CPU, a Motorola 68000, and 1 megabyte of RAM. But Commodore went to great lengths to make CDTV look like anything but a computer.
The consumer electronics business is oriented towards boxes. We are not selling a computer here, and we're not particularly selling a component that is separable from a CD player. The CD-ROM drive is an integral part of the player itself. So we took the very simple elements that I described and put them into one simple box, and that made sense at the right price point, which is about $1,000. Nice consumer price.
The CDTV unit looks like a large CD audio player with more sophisticated input and output devices. The TV-like infrared remote control has a number keypad and arrow keys. At the back of the CD player, you'll find audio and video jacks, as well as parallel and serial ports. There's even an interface for a floppy disk drive. Instead of a hard disk, the CDTV player has a memory card port, where users can store data on 512K smart cards.
We decided to package it like a piece of fine audio gear to make it very user-friendly and usable in a living room environment. We really didn't want to build a computer. We wanted to build an entertainment and educational platform for the whole family. It's sort of the center of the educational hearth, if you would, or the center of the library of the future. And in a library you have movies and sounds and books of fiction, books of reference, and we wanted to bring all that together into the home.
The Commodore booth contained a cross-section of CD-TV applications from the entertaining to the instructive. Discus Knowledge Research demonstrated CD-TV software called Discus Books to teach reading skills to youngsters. The interface may look like a book, but the CD-TV technology makes it interactive. Discus children's books are multilingual, and children can pause the story at any point to get a translation. The user can also call up a pronunciation guide, syllables, and word definitions. Discus CD-TV books will be available in late March for under $70. Dominion Software presented an electronic encyclopedia of military aircraft called Advanced Military Systems. The CD-based guide contains 1,500 photos of military aircraft, along with a voice description or music on the CD's audio track.
All-weather bomber. It is used for close air support, interdiction, and deep strike.
Advanced Military Systems will be available for CD-TV players this spring for under $40.
It's really a new type of category. Laserdisc, for example, gives you movies, but it's a fairly linear process. CD audio gives you sound, but again, it's a fairly linear process. CDTV gives you this capability of having reference works where you can explore and move throughout vast amounts of information at will.
The entertainment potential of CDTV was demonstrated at the Tiger Media display. The Case of the Cautious Condor is the first of a series of interactive mysteries called Airwave Adventures, styled after 1930s era radio dramas.
In my country, a gentleman would not insult the lady by fighting in her presence.
Cautious Condor combines elements of computer adventure games with colorful comic book style images. A narrative soundtrack and music complete the mood. Cautious Condor will be available by the end of March for about $50. The CDTV player comes with a MIDI port or musical instrument digital interface. The MIDI connection allows CDTV users to manipulate digitally recorded music, much like a synthesizer. CDTV will also play CD plus G, or compact disc plus graphics, a kind of MTV on CD.